An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class 3rd, Subject Mathematics. Topic Solid Shapes or 3D Shapes.
Hello and welcome, dear children, once again to the maths class. Children, in our previous class of geometry, we all have learned about the plane shapes, which were the two-dimensional shapes. In our today's class, we will discuss about the solid shapes, which are three-dimensional shapes. What do you mean by the term three dimensions? Children, all the solid figures have three dimensions, that is the length, width and height. All the solid shapes have the depth and thickness. That is why they are called as three-dimensional shapes. Now let us study in detail about some of the solid shapes.
Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth and height. So, a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. Solids have faces, edges and vertices. Some of the shapes of the solids are: Children, look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The point where three edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces: 1 front face, 1 back face, 1 top face, 1 bottom face and 2 side faces. Now look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. A die or dice with which you play is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have the shape of the cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges and 3 faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. 2 faces, that is, the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat. Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have the shape of a cone. A cone has one vertex, as you can see here, and it has one curved edge. It has 2 faces, one curved face and one flat face. All solid figures have 3 different views: top view, front view and side view.